Today I'm ranking 8 passive income streams from S tier the best all the way down to F tier the worst. Some of these can change your life and some of these are just YouTube gurus lying to you. Now here's the interesting part. One income stream on this list paid me enough money in a single month to buy me my first brand new Ford Mustang. I'm not telling you which one right now because if I tell you in the first minute, you will judge it too fast like most people do. And this is exactly why most people never make money from it. So watch till the end. In the last minute of this video, I will reveal which one it is, show you why it works, and tell you exactly how a beginner can start it in 2026. Let's start the ranking. Quick rule so this ranking makes sense. I'm judging every income stream on 3 things. Number 1, how much money do you need to start? Because most people watching this video do not have spared $10,000 sitting in the bank. Number 2, how passive it is really. Passive means money comes in even when you're sleeping, not when you're working a second job at night. Number 3, can a normal person actually do it in 2026? Not in 2015, not in USA, today right now, from wherever you are. Okay, first one, dropshipping. This is where you sell products online but you never touch the product. The supplier ships it directly to the customer. I'm giving this A tier and here's why. The good side is zero inventory risk. You do not buy stock first, you do not fill your house with boxes hoping someone will buy from you. You only order the product after customer pays you. So it is low barrier to entry. You can start with a simple store and a small budget and product testing is fast. Now the bad side, and this is why it is not S tier. There are too many moving parts, especially for a beginner. And the biggest flaw is that you are responsible for things that are out of your control. Like delayed deliveries, faulty products, supplier mistakes, and angry customers that would call their bank and get a chargeback. On top of that, you have to handle marketing and customer support. So yes, it works. People make real money with it, but it is not passive. It is like a full-time job. And for that reason, I will put it to A tier. Next is vending machines. Everyone on social media love this one. Buy a machine, place it somewhere, collect money forever. That is a complete lie. I will give it D tier. Here is what those videos do not show you. It is easy money until you're driving across the city at 10 PM to restock chips and cold drinks, or until your machine breaks down and the repair costs more than 1 month of profit, or until the location owner increases your rent because he sees your machine is doing well. And think about the numbers. One machine might give you a small profit per month. To make real income, you need many machines. Many machine means many location, many restocking trips, many repairs. This is not passive income, this is like a delivery job, more like a Uber. So D tier, moving on. Crypto, big F tier. And I know some of you are already angry. Listen carefully to what I'm saying. I'm not saying crypto cannot make you money. Some people made life-changing money with crypto. All I'm saying is crypto is not passive income, and this video is about passive income. So tell me honestly, if you buy crypto today, what happens tomorrow? I know what happens. You open the chart, then you open it again after lunch, then again at 2 AM, watching a red candle, feeling sick to your stomach. That is not passive, that is stress with extra steps. Passive income should give you peace. Crypto takes your peace and your sleep, and sometimes your money also. So F tier. Let's move to next one. Rental property. This is the classic one. Every uncle in every family says the same thing. Beta, buy property. Property never lose money. This is D tier. And let me explain before you close the video. First problem, the entry cost. To buy one rental property in good city, you need a huge amount of money or a huge loan. Most young people simply cannot enter this game. Second problem, it is not passive. Tenants call you when there is a leakage, tenants leave and then flat sits empty for 3 months. While the loan payment continues, there is maintenance, repairs, painting, brokers, paperwork. Third problem, the market itself is volatile. Prices go up, prices go down, and your money is locked inside one building in one location. You cannot test, you cannot adjust, you cannot exit quickly. Property can build you wealth over 20 years. But as a passive income stream for a normal person starting today in 2026, there's too much money in, there's too many headaches, it is too slow, so D tier. Next up is ATM machine. This one is funny to me. The idea is you buy an ATM machine, place it in a shop, and earn a small fee every time someone withdraws cash. F tier, the reason is simple. Nobody carries cash anymore. Look at your own life. Here in Australia, everything is tap and pay. When was the last time you stood at an ATM machine? Buying an ATM machine in 2026 is like opening a DVD rental shop. The world has already moved on. So it is F tier. Do not let anyone sell you this dream. Amazon FBA. This means you send your products to Amazon warehouse and Amazon handles storage, packing and delivery. I will give it C tier. The good part is real. Amazon gives you customers. Millions of people are already searching and buying on Amazon every single day. You do not have to build that traffic yourself, and the delivery side is handled for you. And here's the truth in 2026. The margins are shrinking. Amazon fees are taking a big bite. Storage fees, referral fees, fulfillment fees, and by the time everyone takes their cut, you are left with very small slice. And the competition is brutal. For every product idea you have, there are already 50 sellers, and some of them are factories themselves selling directly. They can always beat your price. It works, people do make money, but you need real capital for inventory, for marketing, and there are so many fees involved. So I will give it C tier. Content creation. Making videos like this one you are watching right now. I will give it S tier. By the way, our first S tier of the day. 3 reasons. Number 1, it compounds. Compound means it grows on top of itself. A video I post today can bring me viewers today, next month, and even 2 years from now. I do the work one time and it keeps working for me. That is the closest thing to true passive income. Number 2, it costs almost nothing to start. You have a phone, right? You can start today. You don't need a warehouse, lawn, property. You just need to be consistent, that's all. Number 3, and this is the most important one. Content pairs with everything else on this list. Whatever business you do, content makes it bigger. It is not just an income stream, it is a multiplier. So S tier, easily. Now we have one income stream left, the one I teased at the start of the video, the one that bought my Mustang. Affiliate marketing. S tier. The top of this entire list. Here is what it means in simple words. You promote another company's products using your link. When someone buys through your link, the company pays you commission. You do not create the product, you do not store it, you do not ship it, you do not handle any customer support. The company does all of that. Your job is only one skill, sending the right people to the right product. And in my case, I do that with paid ads. Now let me complete the story from the beginning of this video. In 2021, one product I promoted paid me enough commission to buy my first brand new Ford Mustang. And it was just one product. And 1 month, not years of struggle. And that car was a proof that a guy like me from a normal background can do this. And if I can do it, so can you. So yes, it looks complicated at first. Ads, links, tracking, offers. But once you learn the skill, it becomes simple. You focus on one thing. Running paid ads. The links keep paying you day and night while you're sleeping. That is why it beats everything else on this list. Low cost to start, no inventory, no customer messaging you, no machines to restock. This is truly passive once it is running. If you loved this ranking, do 2 things for me. Hit subscribe because I share what is actually working in 2026 from my own live campaigns. And comment which tier you disagree with. I will read every single comment. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.